Hi guys, so today we're going to be attempting a makeup look and a whole shoot. I'm probably gonna try three, so hopefully I get three done. I'm gonna show you what happens behind the scenes. So from idea to shoot to posting, let me just take you with me on one of my shoots. So if you're interested in seeing a kind of day in the life of a content creator, then stay tuned. I wanted to start off with the makeup, and we're going to be using this and this. Hopefully I can find another green somewhere, but if I can't, then this is what we're going to use today. So yeah. I feel like I should have gotten like some paint to do this because I feel like after this my makeup is gonna be done. It's not bad. Wish it would show up some more, but I mean, what can we do, right? Gonna try adding some gold. Just on the bottom. This is a hot mess, but hopefully it turns out nice, you know, like most of my pictures do. So I have like high hopes for this at the end. I mean, also I have to put some on my lips, so I'm gonna try this one instead. Yeah. From here it looks good, right? I can work with it from here. What say you guys? Yeah? Okay. I can work with it from here. So guys, I couldn't find the jewels, but I found these earrings. So, oh, did my ear really cork up? Yeah, so I found these earrings, so I decided to add them to the look, and let us go to try and find stuff to add to the headpiece or whatever you want to call it. So it's gonna be like a little crown, and then you're gonna have like little things draping down. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, this is the best I could gather. If I need more, then I'll go around and pick some more, but right now let's try and assemble it. Okay, so I have some bobby pins to help me assemble it. Let's go. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm sure in the end it's gonna look bomb. Hi guys, so this is the finished product. You like it? Oh god, my hair is wound up so tight. So I have to take this shoot real quick, and yeah, so let's start. See, it's all falling apart already. All right, let's start, guys. Hi guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video insightful and you just get a better understanding of how crazy people go. This is an outer box shoot. It is not usually like this, but when it's like this, you know, I go all out and then some. So if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because our family is growing and glowing, and I love to see the growth that is happening on the channel with our subscribers. And if you have not liked, please like the video, because you know how much effort gets put into something like this. So guys, I'm gonna leave you right now, gonna get this off my face and out of my hair, because it is now starting to itch me. Have a great day guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.